This video will walk you through the features of a divergent boundary. A divergent boundary is when a single plate is getting pulled apart. This happens because the convection currents are moving away from each other when they hit the surface. This drags the crust apart because the crust is sitting on top of the upper mantle. It's going to move in whatever direction the mantle below it is moving. Common features you'll see are volcanoes that are occurring as the plate splits apart and magma can rise up through the cracks and create a chain of volcanoes. You'll notice this can happen on both sides of a rift valley. An example of this occurring is the Great Rift Valley in Africa. This is when a continental plate, like the African plate, is getting split in two. It creates a rift valley with volcanoes, some earthquakes, and a rift valley. If the plate continues to pull apart, you'll eventually have water filling in the middle between the continental plate splitting. This is the start of a new ocean. As magma fills where the crust is splitting, it eventually cools, creating new ocean floor. When an oceanic plate is now splitting apart, we have a mid-ocean ridge. This happens for oceanic crust. Again, key features you'll see are volcanoes, earthquakes. When continental crust, you'll see a rift valley, like the Great Rift Valley in Africa. Or if it's an oceanic plate, you'll see a mid-ocean ridge when it's an oceanic crust, like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. In a new divergent boundary, new crust is always being created.